How to add discount price in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, let me show you how to add a discount price on Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Shopify store and you will get to your main admin. This is our admin on Shopify. So what you need to do is you're going to go to the discount section right here. Now you're going to click on create discount. So here we have different types of discounts that we can create. Now it totally depends on the type of discount. We have amount of product, amount of order, buy X, get Y, and free shipping. So let's say that you want to give amount of product. So let me show you how to fix the price and the amount. So here you can see we have a discount code or an automatic discount. So I'm going to go with the discount code. We're going to click on generate and the code will be generated right here. So this is the code that we will share with our customers for the discount. And here we will select a percentage or a fixed amount or a price, whatever you want to go for. Let's actually go with the fixed amount and you will enter the amount right here. Let's say you want to give $25 off a product. So you will enter 25 here. If you want to give, for example, $30 off a product, maybe $100 off a product, so you will just enter the amount right here and it will write that this is the discount price. We can also go with a percentage. For instance, you want to go for like 10% or you want to give a 20% product, then you will select it right here. So you can also now select if you want to apply this, discount to a specific collection or a specific product, then you will select from here, enter the collection here. And after that, we have some of the other settings that we can do. We have minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, combinations, and active date. So this is where you will select the activate date, the activate dates for the discount. Once it's added right here, click on save discount and your new discount is created on Shopify with a fixed price that you have. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.